And this will be worked by 170-272. Still in its Transport for Wales colour scheme.
This train is formed of 2 coaches.
We'll see this one as it goes out in a minute. Okay, departing now is going to be 172 on the 1047 East Midlands Railway to Newcastle from Crewe. There is a train that about to pass through up there, but I'll get that when she comes a wee bit closer.
The train now approaching platform 2 does not stop here. Please stand well clear of
In fact,
platform 2.
she is close enough, so I'm going to keep her rolling at this point. As passing through now will be an East Midlands Railway meridian going from Nottingham to London St Pancras. Seven car. 22001. Going like the absolute clappers. Sounds good as well. Go on, girl. Bring a hell of a lot of wind in the process. Okay, the next train to arrive is going to be a cross-country service.
Platform 1
for the
1057
cross-country service to Nottingham.
Calling it Nottingham only. This train is formed of 3 coaches. First class accommodation is at the front of the train.
This will be worked by 170-619, newly reformed one here. We'll see this one leave in a minute. Okay, departing now is going to be 176.19 for Nottingham. That's at the Clag there. Go on, girl. I want to say that's from Cardiff Central, but I'm not too sure. It could be from Birmingham New Street. It depends how cross-country runs there, because there could be a shortage of train crew affecting some of their runs today. So, yeah, I don't know what that's doing. What I do know is it's bound from Nottingham, but that's all you are going to be getting. And there's a squirrel, because why not? Two squirrels. Having a bit of fun there, because why not? Bye-bye. Okay, passing through now is going to be an East Midlands Railway meridian going from London St Pancras International to Nottingham. And she is definitely motoring. Triple 2012 with the ons for that one, and there's the win. I mean, there's a train passed, not a bomb, but once it passed, this wind was, wow, goodness me. Okay, arriving in now will be a
Platform 2
will be the 11:13 cross-country service to Birmingham New Street from Nottingham.
Calling it Long Eaton, Derby, Burton-on-Trent, Tamworth and Birmingham New Street. This train is formed of 3 coaches. First class accommodation is at
And this will be worked by 170-105. And we'll see her go out in a minute. Okay, as a CT4M bus passes overhead. 171.05 and I'm passing with the cross country service to Birmingham New Street. Plenty of people on board. Very few empty seats as well though. Certainly giving it some now. Okay, passing through now is going to be another cross-country turbo star running from Birmingham New Street to Nottingham. $171.13. Going like the clappers. And she sounds gorgeous. Absolutely brilliant pass. Absolutely fantastic that was. And our port on the region gets a bit closer.
This train is formed of
Okay, arriving now is the 11 something or another.
stations at the front of the train.
East Midlands Railway service to London St Pancras.
Platform 2 of the 1118 East Midlands Railway service to
1118 East Midlands Railway service to London St Pancras. This is worked by 222-009. With it all from the 222-104 on there. We'll just have a good look at it here. That door seems to have come off 222-104 on this side. The full purple. So there's an odd door on that one somewhere. I don't know why that's on 104 and a plain purple on there, but I guess it makes sense to them. Well, it's kind of weird with the odd door on there though. Must be said. You don't normally get that, do you? No. And now she's taking it away. Awesome. Okay, passing now is going to be GBRF class 50 with the GBRF class the GBRF class has got working GBRF 56 farewell tour going from Leicester to Barrow Hill for the blue and grey rake. And she sounds gorgeous.
We are sorry that the 1123
Oi!
Railway service to
36081. With 56098 bringing up the rear. Going like the absolute clappers. Couple of beige and brown Mark 1s in there as well, thrown in for good measure. That was brilliant. Brilliant pass. Okay, off it goes. Okay, arriving now is going to be in East Midlands Railway, so it's going from Lincoln Central, Leicester to Lincoln Central. Works via a blue 156. 156 403. Squeaky brake time. Okay. Right. 156 403 is now ready to fire up and take away the East Midlands Railway service to Lincoln Central. Good to see a 156 doing the rounds there. Whee! Good one. Nice seeing a 156 doing the old rounds there. Passing through now is going to be an East Midlands Railway 158.
The next train to arrive at Section 2 will be the...
What about 856? Couldn't see the middle. 863 on the back.
East Midlands Parkway, Loughborough, Barrow-upon-Sea,
Working a service from
Silent,
Sheffield to
Silverton
Norwich.
and Leicester. This train is formed
Non-stop
of
passing.
2 coaches.
Well, I didn't expect that to come through, to be fair, so you know. Nice turns from the driver though. As we also now have coming in a what looks like an East Midlands Railway service from Lincoln Central to Leicester, formed of a 2-car 156. The M37. The M37 East Midlands Railway Leicester worked by a 2-car 156 in the form of 156 at 405 in the new EMR regional colour scheme. Good to see. Wow. Aren't too many 156s left now, so get them whilst you can. Although this one looks like staying for a fair old while yet, because of the livery that it's got. Okay, and she's now on her merry way towards Leicester. Nice pass. Departure there even. There we go. It's always good to see the 156s out and about on decent routes. Gives a chance to stretch their legs. Once were regulars on Lincoln Central or Leicester, now they can work with along with the 158s, but they now, as it seems, it looks like they can work with. Looks like they can work with the 170s as well. Good to see, really is. Right, it was 856, 777 and 863, and they were actually going from Leicester, I think, to Lincoln Central. I'm not too sure, but they'll probably split on Nottingham, I would think. Maybe one's going to Norwich after that, I don't know.
The next train to arrive
But coming in now
will be the 1141.
will be the M41 East Midlands Railway service from
Nottingham.
London St Pancras International
Nottingham
to
this train
Nottingham.
is formed of 5 coaches.
And this is going to be formed
First
of what
class
looks like a
accommodation is at
meridian
the
of
front
some
of the train.
description.
Platform 1 for the 1141 East Midlands Railway.
22101, one of the former
Nottingham.
Pioneers.
Calling it Nottingham.
With the odd blue on the
only.
front
This train is
there.
formed of 5 coaches. First class accommodation is at the front of the train.
see this one go out in a minute. See where the East Midlands train's banding is if you look carefully. Okay, 221 I'm ready to fire up and take away the East Midlands Railway service to Nottingham. Whilst also coming in, yes, I am behind the trespassing point, as you can see. Passing rail is also a cross-country turbo start from Nottingham to Birmingham New Street, level 176.19. On there as well. Okay, coming in now is going to be an East Midlands Railway service from East 1147. East Midlands Railway service from Crewe to Newcastle.
Carlton, Burton Joyce, Loudon, Thurberton, Bleasby, Fiskerton, Rolleston and Newark Castle. This train is formed of...
Oh hello, got another one of the white 170s here. It's a white 170. 170 271 this time. It's cool. With the red doors. Wow. Awesome. Okay, wanted someone on that rate. Excuse me. Fire up. And take away the East Midlands. Way! Nice tone there, thank you very much. East Midlands also from Crewe to Newcastle. The M47 service. Nice one's up from the guard there as well. Fantastic times! From the rear cab. Fantastic. That was brilliant, that was. I can't believe that. Till 12 for London St Pancras. Okay, arriving in now is going to be a cross-country service. Whatever the timing of it was, I'll have to double check that. From, I want to say either Castle or Birmingham Street to Nottingham. 171 with the honours. Okay, 17101 is what ready to fire up and take away the cross-country service to Nottingham. Double check what timing that was. I'll God, I'm going to miss that. No, I'll have to do real-time trains then, I'm afraid. Okay, passing from now is going to be one of East Midlands Railway's 180 Atalantes. Going from London St Pancras International to Nottingham. And we have 180, 113. Brilliant pass. Giving it a fair amount of boot as well. There's some whole trains leftovers somewhere, and still with the still with the carriage of 180 at 109 that was never rectified upon leaving whole trains.
You can text the British Transport Police on 61016.
And now a helicopter passes overhead. There goes that one.
Derby, Burton-on-Trent.
Okay, well now it's 113 with the
This train is formed of 2 coaches.
whatever time this is. Cross country to Birmingham New Street. 12:13 I think it is, that's the one. Cross country to Birmingham New Street. She's off. Bit late start, but there it goes. Okay, coming past now, it's going to be a cross-country turbo style working a service from Birmingham New Street to Nottingham. Worked by 170, 103. Going like the clappers. Okay, coming in now. It is going to be an East Midlands Railway service from Nottingham to London St Pancras.
Platform 2 from the 1280 East Midlands Railway service.
The return of 22101. Coming at a fair rate of knots, and the rain is here. I can really tell where the actual coach is because the blue is quite different. So it's right here. See, you tell that this is the actual coach. It looks like this comes from 22005. This one. What's happened is they've reduced some of the 5 cars because they were wanted to increase 22101, 221, 221, 221, 5 cars, so they had to remove the coaches from 006 and 005, 005 and 006 respectively. Okay, off it goes. Can I see in the distance? I can see Turbo Star. This will be an East Midlands Railway service to Grimsby Town via Lincoln Central. This. think this is the full aubergine. It is. The 1224 East Midlands Railway from Leicester to Grimsby Town coming in to Beeston. And we have 170 418. Yeah, Scott Rail variations it looks like. Awesome. Okay, departing now is 174.18, ready to take away the East Midlands Railway to Grimsby Town. Nice bit of frost there as well from the unit. Very nice indeed. And I'm also going to keep her rolling here. As also coming in is going to be an East Midlands Railway service from Newcastle to Crewe, which is going to be formed of another 170 Turbostar. See, you got loads of pictures on here. Indigo MC is there. Must have a transit, scene train, a Meridian of East Midlands trains, I think that is. I think it's a 2221 variation on there, I'm not too sure. It's East Midlands trains livery there, that's good. Better livery.
Platform 2 of the 1222 East Midlands Railway.
1222 to Crewe, this is.
Calling at Long Eaton, Derby, Tutbury and Hatton, Uttoxeter,
Running a
Lionbridge,
few minutes late.
Longton, Stoke-on-Trent, Kidsgrove, Alsager and Crewe. This train is formed...
And we have 17272 returning here. You could ask why I'm here a bit longer than I could be, because there's a freight train due from Kingswell to Tambo Oil Refinery due for in a little bit, so I thought I might as well get that whilst I was here. 17272, we'll see this one in a minute go out. Okay, departing now is going to be the East Midlands Railway to Crewe. 17272 to take it. Perhaps these will go to Langia for the stream as well. And she sounds good, doesn't she? Interesting to think they're using two of the white 170s on the Crewe runs today. Wow. Okay, arriving now, we'll have an East Midlands Railway service from Lincoln to Leicester. Cleethorpes to Leicester, I should say. 174.17, the key worker. Doing it. In the new EMR regional colour scheme. Okay, and 174.17 is now firing up into life and taking away the East Midlands Railway from Cleethorpes to Leicester. Certainly giving it a fair amount of boot as well, actually, it must be said. On the fresh odometer, if you want to say. Okay, the schools decide to go about their business. Meanwhile, are they up there? Where are you, squirrels?
The train now approaching platform 2 does not stop here. Please stand.
As now coming past through non-stop will be a cross-country service going from Nottingham to Birmingham New Street. Here she comes. $170, $101. Giving it the beans. The beans measured on the beanometer, if you want. Measures certain amounts of beans given by any train, if you want to. So yeah, there's that one. Okay, so these fellows go about their business, and cutters, tree cutters I guess. Arriving in now is going to be the, I want to say 12:45, East Midlands Railway service from London Pancras International to Nottingham.
This train is formed of 7 coaches.
It's going to be a 7-car meridian.
First class accommodation is at the front of the
222 which was once Tornado, but not anymore because it's got the new Midland City colour scheme. Wow, very lengthy train this is. Okay, it's awesome. I've been mainline colour on there. 222 is now about ready to fire up and take away the 12:45 East Midlands Railway service from London Pancras to Nottingham. It's a bit off colour there. There should be a freight train behind this afterwards. See it in the distance up there, I think. Whee! To that big tornado, going like the clappers. See the wow. Good departure though, it has to be said.
Beeston and Newark Castle. This train is formed of 2 coaches.
And this will be worked by 158 810. Okay, 158 there. 158.810 is now firing up and taking away the East Midlands Railway service to Newark Castle. Okay, the next freight train to pass by is going to be a DB Cargo UK Class E6 with the discharged tanks from Kingsbury Oil Sidings to Humber Oil Refinery. Silverish on headlights, and it's got something red on the top, which is Macy pick. This might have the new DB red livery to it. As there'll also be a East Midlands Railway service from Nottingham to London Pancras also passing through as well. Might get bold here.
The train now approaching platform 2 does not stop.
Actually, I might get away with this because this 66 is running very slow. Which I might not do. This is close. Right, the 180 is coming. Right. Right, the 180 is 180, 113. And the 66 will be 66, 206. There's a flat wheel there. Oh, there's a cracker here. Oh, another one. Certainly putting their foot down now. A right mixed bag of tanks on there. A couple of tanks without the ladders on in there, and of course there was also the one that was missing a ladder. A cross-country service from Birmingham New Street to Nottingham. Well, if I wanted to still say it wants to go to Birmingham New Street. Anyway, so here's our final train, I hope. 6:20. Thank you for watching, and me here at Beeston. Passing through now is going to be East Midlands Railway from London past Hull to Nottingham. My phone's there, go on. 222 006. Arriving in now is going to be a cross-country service from Nottingham to Birmingham New Street. As passing through now is going to be what will likely be a Coros Railfreight Class 37 with a test train from is this well it's a I think it's a double Class THS or as that. It's either which way around, but it is those two destinations going to and from. That's what I do know. Right, so here we have 170-103. That is the about turn. Well, here we have our test train. GBRF, I'll go for 7610. That's 37 116 on the rear. Oh, there for me has to be the our class with the farewell tour, but nice try the 37s though. Has to be said. And then our final train of the day sees 123 depart. Working from Nottingham to Birmingham New Street. Got two trains that we're going to finish with here. First of all, it's a non-stop turbo, 13106 from Birmingham New Street to Nottingham, and then a 222 003 for London St Pancras. Thank you for watching. and I'll see you in the next video.